Hi everyone, so today I'm going to create this really cool slit mouth effect using Sculpt gel. So if you want to see how I did, then keep watching the video. So this Sculpt gel I got on an Irish kind of special effects store, but I'm pretty sure you can pick up something like this on Amazon or anywhere like that, or Mayron, I'm pretty sure do something like this as well. So to prepare my skin, first of all, I'm cleaning it off with a little bit of alcohol just so the oils don't interfere with the gel and make it not stick. Then I just mixed up the gel as per the instructions on the packet. So I mixed up equal parts of A, B and added a little bit of C to make it a little bit more fluid. And then I stuck it right on my face with a spatula. And then what I did, because my Sculpt gel is actually clear, I added some of my own face powder into it just to make it match my skin a little bit better, as opposed to having it like foundation over top of it, because that can make it look a little bit more fake than you kind of mixing in the powder. Because if you have seen any of my looks before, I have mixed in other colors with it just to make it look like, you know, the skin color. I did a zombie look about 2 years ago now, and I mixed teal with it just to make like a zombie, but a teal zombie, if you know what I mean, kind of look. So yeah, what I'm doing now is I'm just trying to create ridges and texture in around my face with the Sculpt gel and my little spatula, just so it doesn't look too perfect, because obviously if your mouth has been ripped open, it won't look super nice and even. So now once the kind of Sculpt gel is pretty much dry, I'm just powdering it a tiny little bit just to get rid of the shine, and the matte will make it look a little bit nicer. To color in the cut, you can use many different things. Don't use eyeshadow, but if you have any cream products, especially lipstick, will look quite good. I'm actually using 2 liquid lipsticks from MacLeod, one in a red and the other one in kind of like a deeper purple color. So I'm going in with the red first just to kind of fill in the general area of the cut. And then I'm going to go into the darker purple and deepen everything up. You basically want to create different dimensions with different shades of red and purple. You can even add a little bit of black just to make it look a little bit darker, depending on the effect you want to go for. So I'm just kind of messing around with it. Now, once you're ready to kind of tint the skin and the scab around it, I do suggest you put on a little bit of foundation or whatever face makeup you will want, because I do want to get some of that red onto my skin, and obviously I want the rest of my makeup done. So you can see me here kind of tapping away with some of the red and purple lipstick mixed together just to blend it into the rest of the skin. But obviously if you don't want to wear foundation, you don't have to. You can just blend this onto your natural skin. And I'm kind of just tapping it in with my finger, because the warmth of your finger will kind of melt the product a little bit and make it blend in. So you just want to create a really nice kind of effect with it. I don't really know how else to describe it. You're basically kind of making it look a little bit irritated, a little bit red. You want it to look a little bit scabbed over, you know, just like that, just so it matches in with the rest of the makeup, because I want this to look like a fresh kind of a cut, you know. So it's starting to kind of swell up, it's starting to kind of go all crusty and gooey and gross. So that's the effect I wanted to go with for this. So now I'm going to take a little bit of fake blood. I'm going to start dabbing it around the skin just so it looks a little bit more slimy, and obviously the fake blood will look more authentic as opposed to it being really dry. It kind of has to look wet for it to look more authentic. So I'm just kind of dabbing this out with my finger and the brush. But basically I got the fake blood in Tesco, and this fake blood is not the best. It is a little bit red, like bright red, when I think like a little bit of a deeper red would suit this quite well. And also this fake blood stained the heck out of my skin. So I'm basically just spraying that right into the cut, and I let it drip down, and the parts that kind of were dripping down stained my skin. But I thought the effect was pretty cool with the fake blood anyway. I really liked it. So I just want to dab some of that blood inside the cut and kind of all over it, just to make it look a little bit more realistic. And then I'm just kind of letting it drip down my face, but just make sure you don't get it on your clothes because it will stain them. So just be very, very careful. Wear something you don't mind wrecking until the blood kind of settles in and dries. But this is the finished look. I really hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.